Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're facing a slow browsing issue on your iPhone in Safari browser, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. Before start the video, we have to make sure that we have a stable and strong internet connection. If you are using mobile or cellular data, try use the Wi-Fi data or refresh your internet connection. After that, we are going to launch Safari browser, then tap on this bookmark and close all the tabs that already open in Safari. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Hopefully, you will get rid of this issue after this step. If not, then launch settings, scroll, find and tap on Safari. Here we are going to tap on clear history and website data and tap again clear history and data. After that, tap on advanced, then tap on website data, then clear all website data from your Safari browser. Now go back to Safari and settings. Here we are going to tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. After that, we are going back to general and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space, and also check the software update of iOS. If available, then update your iOS. In the end, we are going to do one more thing. Under general, tap on VPN device management, tap on VPN and disconnect the VPN if it's connected. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.